My name is Dr. Ben Hoffman, and I'm the director of the Oregon Center for Children and Youth with Special Health Needs at OHSU, and I'm excited to share with you information about the Hero Kids Registry. The Hero Kids Registry is groundbreaking and the first registry of its kind in the country. It was developed by the Oregon Center for Children and Youth with Special Health Needs, or OCHN, which is the state's Title V public health agency for that population. It was built in partnership with our friends at the Oregon Emergency Medical Services for Children program. The Hero Kids Registry is a voluntary, no-cost system. It's available to any Oregon family to allow them to share critical information about their child or young adult's health before an emergency. Hero Kids is available to any Oregon child or young adult up through age 26. Emergency medical services and emergency department providers can quickly and easily access this information. The Hero Kids Registry is modeled on the Oregon Pulse Registry and is operated in much the same way. With the Hero Kids Registry, emergency medical services and emergency care providers will have just-in-time information that includes medical or behavioral conditions, alerts and unique factors that can impact care, medications, allergies, whether or not the child or young adult has a pulse, safe words, which may be things that you may use to calm a child or young adult, emergency protocol letters and information forms, and parent and legal guardian contact information. EMS agencies and emergency departments across Oregon will be able to access registry information and get it quickly. That information will be available through a 24/7 confidential provider hotline. Providers will be able to call that hotline with the child's demographic information or registry ID number, and information will be relayed in less than 90 seconds. That information also may be faxed. EMS and ED providers may also access the registry information through the Oregon Registries for EMS, or OREMS app. Additionally, information is available through the Emergency Department Information Exchange, or EDI. Here are examples of Hero Kids items that you might see on scene or with a child. The registration form, which we're encouraging families to post on the refrigerator or share with school, caregivers, or other persons who are responsible for a child or young adult. A Hero Kids backpack tag and registry ID sticker, which EMS and ED providers may see on or near the child, and an example of a Hero Kids EDI alert. Registration for Hero Kids is done only by parents, legal guardians, or a young adult age 15 to 26. They will be able to create or change registration information, and families will be encouraged to work with their healthcare providers to ensure that the information provided is correct and complete. We would love for you to become a Hero Kids champion and help us get people registered for the registry. You could do this by educating families while you're on scene. You can distribute materials at community outreach events. You can add information about Hero Kids to your website or social media. You can encourage families to talk with their child's healthcare providers about Hero Kids. You can provide brochures and flyers in waiting rooms and at patient discharge if you're a provider. And you can add a Hero Kids dot phrase to your EMR and include links to the Hero Kids registry in My Chart and after visit summaries. Here are the key takeaways. Hero Kids is available to all Oregon children and young adults through age 26. Families with children that have varying health needs are able to register all of their children. They can feel comfortable knowing that if any of their kids experience an emergency, EMS and emergency department providers will quickly and easily be able to access the critical information. By opening up the Hero Kids registry to any child or young adult, it also helps ensure that it becomes part of routine emergency medical care. EMS and emergency department providers will use the Hero Kids registry as a tool to guide their treatment of patients up through age 26. Hero Kids is portable and accessible across the state. Hopefully, kids and young adults are living big, full lives, so whether they're visiting family across the state or enjoying a trip to the coast with friends, their registry information will be available all the time. Hero Kids is an excellent tool for emergency preparedness. The ability to list multiple emergency contacts can help aid in reunification. The Hero Kids team would like you to make sure that your team knows about the registry and how to contact us with questions or ideas or requests for materials or presentations. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the Hero Kids Registry. Here's our contact information, and we look forward to hearing from you with any questions or anything we can do to support you. Thanks for all you're doing for Oregon kids.